Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make super easy and delicious tacos al pastor. So in case you guys want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1.5 pounds of loin roast cut into thin slices. We're going to need 5 chile guajillos, 1 chile ancho, 2 garlic cloves, a half of a small white onion, 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cups of pineapple juice, pineapple slices, 2 oranges, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 of these packages of sazón Goya. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first you want to make sure that you dip pot and deseed your chiles. And then we're going to add them in a small saucepan. So all of your chiles. And then we're also going to add our onion. And I cut it in half. And just pull it apart. Add your garlic cloves. Your 2 bay leaves. Your 2 cloves. The 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and only 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. So we're going to put it on medium heat and let it simmer. All right, so just move it around, and we're only gonna leave this in here until our chiles become soft. All right, guys, so after 5 minutes, your chiles should be soft. So now I'm just going to turn it off, and then we're gonna start working on our paste. Okay, so for our marinade, we're going to add our chiles to our blender. Make sure you get everything. We're going to add our 1/2 cup of pineapple juice along with all of our spices. We got the sazón Goya here, cumin, paprika, black pepper, salt, thyme, oregano, and then we're going to squeeze our oranges. So we're gonna get all the juice. So just squeeze. And now we're just going to blend to get our paste. Okay, so once everything's blended, let me show you guys. We should have a paste. So our sauce should look like this. Now we're just going to put it on our meat. Alright, so now we're just going to spread a thin layer of our paste on our meat. And here I have a plate covered with plastic wrap. That's where we're going to let our meat marinate. So just grab your thin slices of meat. You can use your fingers or whatever you wish. And just do it to all your pieces of meat. And just place them on your plate. And just put them one on top of another. And excuse my cutting here, Louis. Alright, so for my leftover marinade, I'm just going to add it on top of my meat and just rub it all in there. Okay, so now I'm just going to wash my hand. So now I'm just going to cover my meat with the plastic wrap. And if you don't have plastic wrap, you can always just put your meat in a bowl and just cover it with foil. Whatever works for you guys. Okay, so now we're just going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 5 hours. or overnight. The longer, the better. Alright guys, so here I have my meat that I prepared last night. So now let's get it cooking. Okay, so on medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into my skillet. And I'm just gonna wait for that to heat up so we can start cooking our meat. Okay, so we're just going to add our meat. So we're just gonna cook our meat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now it smells good. Alright guys, so after you're done cooking all your meat, we're going to turn it off and grill our pineapple. Alrighty guys, so here I grilled the pineapple slices. We'll cut them last. But basically now we're just going to cut our meat. You could cut the meat however you want to cut it, you know. We don't have the trompo here, so just gonna cut it like that. And the pineapples, we're just going to cut them into bite sizes, you know, so we can top our tacos with a little bit of pineapple. Okay. So now we have our meat and our pineapples ready. So now we're just waiting for the tortillas and then we can start eating our delicious tacos al pastor. Okay, so now to prep our tacos, I'm just gonna grab some meat. Just like that. We're going to add some cilantro. Some pineapple. Some salsa. And if you want to add some lime juice, that's up to you. I think this is good enough. And now I'm ready to enjoy them. Now for the best part, taste test. You ready? Mm-hmm. Cheers. Cheers. Super delicious. No le pide nada a un taquero, you know? Super good. What? What's wrong? And there you have it. Super easy and delicious tacos al pastor. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And in the comments down below, let me know what's your favorite kind of tacos. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And also hit the little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.